Did you know that a donkey once saved a greedy prophet's life by refusing to obey him? Meet Balaam, a prophet who worked for money. The king of Moab offered him a huge fortune to curse God's people, Israel. God clearly told Balaam not to go, but Balaam's greed blinded him. He saddled his donkey and headed out anyway, but 3 times something strange happened. The donkey suddenly stopped and wouldn't move forward. The first time, it stepped into a field. The second time, it crushed Balaam's foot against a wall. Each time, Balaam beat his donkey angrily. Then God did something amazing. He opened the donkey's mouth to speak. The donkey asked, "Why do you keep beating me? I'm trying to save your life." Suddenly, God opened Balaam's eyes. He saw an angel with a drawn sword blocking their path. The donkey had seen the danger all along. Sometimes God uses the most unexpected people or situations to warn us when we're making bad choices. We just need to listen. Please subscribe for more.